Yeah, now we to fast happen SMP. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. Me patro boko there. Great. Low radio no na intimate tun kan ye ne monko why? Correct. Patro yet you.
Patro, me who Adom on Facebook. And on the makers, no catch me saying, me sending a picture to money. Me sending pictures to money. If I may ask her from catch and say, Obi no see on yes, a human man, if you know, or video TV or the best quality culture say a mini video. If you know, on a good person, I catch and say, Obi now born a pass on yes, a human man. But later on, I tell from catch and say, or permanent and to person, you know, I'm my confused.
Towards you. I said, no breaking it down here. Onipa no ni meet you on Facebook. And we sending the pictures. And I feel the ono aka tro say obi na man assignment so onye sa de nti or naked pictures into obi show. Now we sending no naked pictures. Now we sending no naked picture. We see dey nya naked picture say or won't you betimi I expose you.
There be no me video call no me say
okay, to was it? Abraham mu ye video call there hotel kakra ma ne hwe we can champion but dey na ye pese ye solve problem. Nti no no won ho. Sa video call so ya na hadwin an hwe ya mu an say why ya say wo dey akire no. Okay, eti say no oka so bi na agbo ne pa wi no afi wo se nani ji ohun ti e be yanka o pese on otena. Hey, media. Anyway, councillor be room why me am pese me kire madwen ho na pese inyanti ase ni yiti ya da wase pa yeah hu adru seriously problems pa utie confessions Ofie Kwanso Adom 106.3 FM for today Tuesday the 20th of November. Hello. Hey, Atiafa Sulu. Hello.
Hello.
Me patro already no dum no na yen kasawai. Feedback.
Ma so kra.
Kan ko kase.
Yeah, brother.
Patro etiu.
Me say me mia we de me mia baako. Na emre bi one me na nya kasa. Na sa kasa ni mo na me na ka asem bi to. Na sa asem na o kan no. Enen ne nyina eye adwuma. Isi aso me na na wu. A okọ.
Fine, but said the wakan in the I tried to do. You won another casem afan ho amasem no ayadwuma. By ye won anani ni hobi, but asem ben or kafan ho na ayadwuma no na ye hu. Said the kusi, why?
O ka ten say obebre pa. And this is no akwa na bra na ebre je oduma usu akwa ga betre fi.
Catch and say obebre pa.
And
I say we nya some keke no kai o je say odomeno. Ana ene ono so ko. O frene saman so menda ne no me ne nyi. Ya semu. Anyway, ebia na ehun akwankyere bi ho. Ntu de councillor be chirim why?
Mate.
Serious. Let's call our man so hello.
Hello, brother.
Mr. Waya mo from radio no munum no man why na e wo wasom awie isa ya na hadwen pa. All right, patriot you.
Madam Fubi asem. Na menenu na wo ye krum by. Aso say oni ben osia be maybe. Ana be man ese ne pe no openeso. By openeso we no ni be man ye bibi no. Oni be man nya didi ye no. Echi no. Ana be man yere efre no. Se onno di nuku na chie na na. Ana se on de onim se nuku no aware. On de onim. By it is that time now we no say too late. No ni be man so afa yifu. Nti echi no na be man yere no. So hu se oni be man afa yifu no fro ba no ka chen se. So oni nuku na afa yifu na obewu ama ahwe. Nti o ka asa no say your phone some time a demand so the one time in chain. And see I'm not paying no frame say Saturday no way. And I'm see the Yamiasi na Bemano. You see, or say, I not say almost a Bemano. Bemano say so I war on the infano.
Beman is
Bemano catch them.
Time never found. Okay, you. Yati, why? The councillor Beshana, Wabo room new said the Beno. It is now 3:45. Our 106.3 FM. You better 2 more calls the account ADC. Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon, brother.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Let the NSA. Now, my name girl be no over. Me a Christian. But girl, no, in the background, no, Muslim. So, yeah, I won't watch it. But now me catch her and say, own to me, and I worry since or ye Muslim, now me a Christian. I have a Christian background, and I don't see a Muslim background into me worry. For about 2 years ago, Donna what you call Bishop, and then a premier she wants to come back and marry me. But I also me catch her and say. To me, and I think we have a different religion background into the internet. But every time she calls me, like she still tells me that she wants me and they want to marry me. She wants to have a child with me, a whole lot.
Bemin, sir, Beman, I call wow bow, and you have to change way. You know. If she keeps telling you say or person wow na also said the wedding can a year near man say problem who need to intimi say also to me ejina na so na change so at the end they said they know obi a ento aso hwe no ba
ma ka bia
they say no o de me ba we dey nyese magic counselor adwuma ya man they say no o dey na person say they o pese o tuba preko na o ye ya say no so ho ko fo tuba da bia ti say so we are not done here deep now be tuba na we ya go say the okay
enka me penis ba I say I don't know what
penis are there say ne say edua e be wo wani no say edua na ye ntwa so ye tu ase ade na from the beginning na wo hu say bia this will be the challenge anti wow kan say anti mamon warranty animani mo na nka wa hwe no appropriate na I say bi I say krokron kakra sa na ade say e had you anyway wo dey ate asem no nti e be hu say dey be no why
okay
last caller na yemfancy na yes
good afternoon
me pa cho mi ti opa
me na fo bi ebe friend so mi ko je no baby na ya ko ya ba ena me ka ebe me
ena ka bo wo
me me buka me fi me ta police ko ni no ngo me ko ji na de bia ka di me na kana ko ngo ko no ye it's no da piel ka ta ni kakra na me tam ko me percent me revenge o pina me tell me so me wasem no men shedan nyan yi so online di bia na wo kwa akogya wadanfo no o da plan ko mi go dia no bia me na me tere no me frame se mi ko jo mu bia
ena mo ko
no
ka bo
accident be si wo Kwanso ena me na me try na me mu buye
ena ne waka dem
lata dem no mo dem no gwan na de bia na ko mo na mo ko jina e di na mo dem ti
ena omo sese no chese wo pese o chese omo mua o Yes, sir. To was you just say no revenge ben our person take you. Is only our bed domain of Nankamuna Macadam, yes, sir. Towasi, Umuses Adeno, as when you be an adult take my kayas and arches and abooms and idea. Oh, Nabotre. O de councillor bebum na afutu bi o bi o de ama why ade no obi abesro se kujanu na wakujanu na BBC esia say accident no omo anhye da say omo cause say accident ni si o things happen so at as nti abane sa na ebi amekan omo so waka dem nje o say ebi omo so bibia e soche momo but ebi for you know they are also struggling in this life as the more you I say tete na nkofo nte bibia eku di no obi problem bia no de aboba na bia wantimi ansolve ama na odwen se bia o pese oboneti mo de ba bia na mikase sa ada na ngasa kra no o Daniel what I say it you wan hard wadwen bebu ase o nkofo mde omo yo okay no mumbu amene ade a oh so na bia na ankobansa today na wo che counselor be room na ya hwe se de eno so ye de be kwa akosi Fast like SMA Guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited GT Bank, the most innovative and technology advanced bank. As I say, mobile banking platform Papa Pano, and one will be added Juma star 737. Put me a BBA on your mobile phone. Our Brownco banking put me link your account with your mobile money wallet for easy transfers. Put me grass and BBA account wow mobile phone so up at the end. You know, move it to me, our friend. I have boy, sister. Now, with me, chat to 0501 449 481. I feel 0501 409 490. Guarantee Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? As they do, Kojak Pharma Limited. I'm on the mind the original pro code. When you be code ni flu what to see one time. Almost say my Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste and a Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash and a fake Kojak sensitive toothbrush. O sin ya na FM film wa bra wadi ade da na ade chill da na say ade bi e hye no. Omoden aso man sa etimi aka bi na etimi abo ye pa.